Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this accident-free 2015 Chevrolet Equinox LTZ. Powering this all-wheel drive SUV is a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission that can get you just 10 to 15 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the hatch of the vehicle, you have lots of storage space, access to a 12-volt power adapter, additional storage on each side, as well as a factory subwoofer. You also have a powered liftgate. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable heated mirrors, power adjustable windows with express down on all four, the premium Pioneer sound system. On your steering wheel, you have your cruise control, collision alert, lane departure warning, and hands-free audio. This vehicle currently has 133,580 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit, which is Bluetooth ready, your stereo controls, climate controls, as well as heated front seats. This vehicle is equipped with the jet black brownstone leather seats. The front two are power adjustable and the driver's seat has memory. For the back of the interior, you have a great view of the sun moonroof, cargo nets in the back of both front seats, access to a 12-volt power adapter, and these are 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip-down cup holder in the center. If you would like to see this 2015 Chevrolet Equinox LTZ in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.